I'm Yang, and today we are here with our very first vlog. So before, right, we posted a video in YouTube and then no one watched the video, but still, no, 54 ba? But still, since we like doing this kind of stuff, like making creative things, we will still try our best to post videos in YouTube and still
pursue our
passion.
na lang, pressure ako.
Yeah, pwede.
Magpapakilala muna kami sa inyo para makilala niyo lalo ang Yin Yang. I'm Yin.
And I'm Yang.
Okay.
And we're both 25 years old and we are both from the field of IT.
Pero kahit na IT kami, parang talagang hinahanap namin yung
mga creative things.
Yeah, mga creative things. So, gusto namin pumasok sa vlogging industry. Wow.
Vlogging industry talaga. So,
yes.
Ganon.
I'm from Cavite.
And I'm from Bacolod.
I'm a pure Caviteña and a pure Ilonggo.
So, binatanggihan mo
Ilonggo pala.
Yung mga taga-Bacolod nila?
Yeah, mga dira, bala, ganon.
So, just a little bit of something about ourselves.
Okay.
So, as time goes by, we will like share to you a lot more about us and then you'll get to know us as time goes by as well.
Ulit yung as time goes by.
Wala na masabi.
So, yun na nga. OFW kami dito dahil sa Singapore. Sila Inday at Dodong nasa Singapore. So, gusto lang namin na i-share sa inyo kung ano ba yung world in Singapore.
Yep. So we will share our journey here in Singapore.
Basically, ano ba yung mga abangan nyo sa YouTube channel namin? Mahilig kami mag-staycation. So, dadalhin namin kayo in different hotels in Singapore para in case na pumunta kayo dito, is alam nyo yung mga hotels na fit sa budget nyo and yung mga magagandang hotel based sa review namin. And syempre, dadalhin din namin kayo in different restaurants in Singapore and different tourist spots. Para pagpunta nyo dito, meron kayong guide. And pwede nyo rin kaming i-call actually. We can be your tour guide. Mura lang yung subscribe lang kayo and free na.
We also like to travel pala. So we are planning to take you with us if ever we are going to like travel outside Singapore, even sa Philippines pag bumalik kami doon, or like out or other countries dito sa Asia, or hopefully if may chances we can go like as far as the US or Europe.
Tapos, bukod doon, pwede rin kayong mag-abang sa amin like, kasi ito si Yang, napaka-techy. So, marami siyang magiging review of different gadgets. And ako naman, para sa mga girls, mga lovies, pwede nyo ang abangan ng mga review ko ng lipstick, mga makeup reviews, and mga watches reviews.
Medyo matagal na yung introduction namin, so we will proceed with the room tour. Bye-bye! Okay, so dito, i-room tour ko na kayo. So dito tayo magsisimula ngayon sa door. Ito yung hallway. Ito yung hallway papasok sa room. So, if galing ka sa doorway, yung unang mo makikita is yung toilet. Dito sa part din ng hallway na to is meron tayong cabinet, right?
Yes.
Sa loob niya is merong mga damit-damit, yung bathrobe, then iron, and then like
free slippers,
slippers, bathrooms. Tapos ito yung cabinet. Oo.
Meron kayo ditong foam pillow.
Free pillow sa taas.
And
then ito yung mga hangers. Tapos nandiyan na yung mga gamit namin.
Meron tayong panlinis ng sapatos.
Okay. Ano to? Basta yan.
Kutsara, gano'n.
Tapos may mga plastic pa.
Ay, actually, pag nasa club room ka, merong free laundry something. Pero hindi natin ito gagamitin.
Kaya nga. So, safe. If
meron kayong mga alahas, dahil wala kami, magamit to.
Papasok lang doon. Tapos, ito. Yep. That's it. There's a mirror in here, so pwede nga mag-take ng selfies dito, then OOTD. So, by the way pala, ito lang yung namin, setup namin. No fancy stuff, just phone and then gimbal. Since nagsisimula pa lang naman, so hindi naman kailangan.
And we would just like to say thank you to Adidas for our outfit today.
Okay, so yeah, let's proceed to the room tour. Pasok tayo sa toilet. So sa toilet, medyo spacious naman siya. Maganda siya actually. We have here the towels, tissue, like yung glasses, and then some soap, and then hand wash, and then I like the, what do you call this one?
The sink.
The sink because it's so modern. And like very huge mirror in here.
Yeah, I like the mirror kasi freebies. Tinatawag namin itong toilet freebies. So, tingnan natin. You have
Mga
shaving
kit.
kit. 2 sets of toothbrush. Oh, may libre pang supply. Cotton buds and stuff. Shower cup.
So, yan. Tapos meron din dito ang dirty laundry basket. Tapos meron pang weighing scale.
Yeah.
Yan. Tapos, the usual, basurahan. Then, digital.
Hair dryer.
Hair. Going on, ito yung pupo area.
We call this poo-poo area.
Toilet seat.
Oh, yan. Parang open concept yung concept nila sa toilet nila because may glass lang doon. Yung nagsiseparate sa toilet and sa bedroom is glass. Pero meron din namang what do you call this one? Blinds. Pag gusto mo ng privacy. And guess what?
Shower.
Ano tawag dito? Rain shower ata tawag dito.
Gusto mo i-try?
Yan, sa ganyan.
And then,
Free nila mga...
may free silang
connect.
biology shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
Okay, so yung...
Okay.
So yan, then eto. This
Okay.
is the...
Let's see, what's this? I don't know.
Ano to?
Oh my god.
Oh,
okay,
cabinet
wala.
pa rin.
Cabinet lang siya. What's this? Oh!
Ito na pala yung nila. Yung parang mga kape-kape.
And meron tayong, what's this? Espresso maker.
The next is I think this is the fridge. Tapos sabi nila, lahat daw dito libre nung pumasok kami. LED TV 48 inches, I think.
Okay.
Then, they have their own art installation. Ito, yung bed nila is like king-size bed. So, yeah, medyo magulo na siya because we already sat in there earlier. So, ito yung, tawag mo dito?
Workspace.
Oo, workspace. Ito, meron tayong phone. Diba?
Para sa mga turista.
Mm-hmm. So, ito is
Wow!
yung whole part ng Singapore.
Full part talaga?
No, not the whole part ng Singapore, but
Another!
yung Novena lang, yung Novena
basta
area.
Novena,
Sa ganun. So, yun. So, I think, that's it for... that's it for
our room tour.
Mm.
Later, bibigyan namin kayo ng reviews ng malapit na restaurant, mga amenities ng hotel,
Yep.
and then bukas, syempre, bibigyan namin ang buffet review.
Sa morning, kasi libre din yun. Libre din yung food. So, yep.
So, later na lang.
Later na. Bye!
Hi!
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa 22nd floor para i-visit yung living room.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hi gang, so dito na kami sa 22nd floor. So I'll show you. Okay?
Let's go. Let's go check the other side.
Tara. Si Madam. Si Madam Purin. Tomorrow dito yung breakfast natin.
What if we run away? What if we left today? What if we said goodbye to safe and sound? What if we're hard to find? What if we lost our minds? What if we let them fall behind and they're never found? And when the lights start flashing like a photo booth and the stars exploding
me, Yang, and this time we will check out na from this hotel and we will give you a brief review sa experience namin dito sa hotel. So, go.
Yes, with the room, okay naman siya. Yung club room nakuha namin siya for 8,890 pesos only. Pero normally ang price niya is around 12,000 to 15,000 per night. A bit pricey, and na-expect namin na yung club room is medyo malaki, pero there are 25 square meters lang siya. Medyo maliit siya for the price compare sa iba naming napuntahan. Pero interior design, okay siya. Yung air condition niya, well-functioning, sobrang comfortable siya, and of course, the view, yun ata yung pinaka-binayaran. And the bathroom, gusto ko siya kasi yung bathtub niya and everything, the shower room, so okay.
Amenities-wise, like, yung living room nila, diba? Actually, yung pinunta namin dito talaga is yung living room nila, and we're just quite disappointed to see the living room rooms kasi medyo maliit siya as what you saw sa video previously, pero very quiet. So I think that will be the perfect place sa mga like person na gusto mag-chill or like mapag-isa, kasi medyo talagang konting-konti yung tao doon. Maybe because yun din yung perks doon, exclusivity. So if you are like, if you checked in sa club room nila, if you really want exclusivity, then doon.
Pag gusto mo mag-soul searching, mag-pray yan.
And then yung breakfast pala nila, it's also good. We forgot to vlog because we were like,
hungry already. Pero may mga pictures kami.
So, out of 10, yung rating namin dito is...
Ay? 7!
So, 7 siya since price-wise, medyo mahal siya, pero yung room and the service medyo okay. Kasi dito pala may choice kayo to early check-in at 10 a.m. and late check-out at 4 p.m. Pero kami nag-request pa kami if they can extend more, and they gave us another 30 minutes. So, very, very good yung service.
Yes, very good. So, hopefully, pagbalik namin, baka may mga bago...
maging 10.
Maging 10 out of 10 siya. May mga bago silang more parang interesting amenities. I think kailangan na namin mag-check out. So, thank you so much sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa first ever vlog na Lilia. And hopefully, for the future videos pa is makasama pa rin namin kayo. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want.
And then like this video as well.
Yes, and share if you want also. Kita-kita po tayo ulit sa next review namin and next vlog dito lang sa Yin Yang TV. I'm Yin again.
And I'm Yang, and yep, see you later, bye!